The last application which I am not able to download on my computer is the Microsoft Office Lens. It is the kind of the taking a picture and scanning application. Personally, I was thinking when I found this app that I would use for myself, and then for my computer class, because some students do not show up in class. The books are kept only in the classroom, and then I had to take my phone, take a note, email to myself, and then edit and post on the Canvas, the platform that's used. Too complicated. With this application, you just once you open the application, you take a pictures, then you can choose, as you can see here, how you're going to make your document PDF, Word or PowerPoint. Also, I was thinking about my students, when I do write on the board, they can take pictures of the board instead of writing on the paper. I know some of would be thinking they do need to write, but as I said, the technology and improving, we need something to be quick, so maybe this could be easier for both of them and me. So I would use this both for myself, and then hopefully students can use it as well, and then they can share notes, and if somebody wasn't in class, they can send to each other and help each other out.